Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare a Bong or Bengali traditional recipe called Mulor Chechki or radish fry. This side dish goes well with both rice and Indian breads like roti, paratha and puri. It can be used as a filling for Muli paratha as well. It's quick to make, healthy and tasty. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are white radish, 1.5 big shredded with shredder, green chillis 4 slit in the middle, bay leaf 1, red chili 1, whole masalas comprising of black mustard seeds, Nigella seeds or kalo, Carom seeds or ajwain, Fennel seeds or mouri, cumin or jeera, half teaspoon each, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, mustard oil 1 tablespoon used for traditional flavor and aroma, refined oil 4 tablespoon. To make Mulor Chechki, we first have to prepare the masala. For that, heat about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and 4 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the bay leaf and red chili. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add about a half teaspoon of black mustard seeds, about half teaspoon of Nigella seeds or kalo, half teaspoon of Carom seeds or ajwain, half teaspoon of Fennel seeds or mouri, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera. Saute in low heat till golden brown. To cook the radish, add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the oil. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add the shredded white radish, about 1 teaspoon of salt and 4 green chilies. Sit in the middle. Mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook in low to medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 to 8 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Taste it, add whatever is required. I've added about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Serve hot. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.